You're welcome to African Hustle. So in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to win bets every day. So I know you are into betting already. Yeah, I know you have your experiences and all of that. And then in betting too, there are rises and fall. Okay. So but today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you the tricks and some small steps, to add to your betting experience to make you win every day. You're going to win huge every day. So without wasting much time, let's dive into today's tutorial. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and then click on the notification bell all to get notified anytime I release new content. For me, actually, I'm not into betting. I'm into crypto and then affiliate marketing and all of that. Binance, you can earn really huge money there. You should watch my other videos on Binance. Yeah, affiliate marketing and then cryptocurrency and all of that. That's the leading, should I say, gambling or betting right now. Okay, so without wasting my time, in today's tutorial, I'm going to learn about 4 things. 2 websites that can help you enhance your betting experience. 1 app that will help you enhance your betting experience. And then I'll give you a bonus, a very big bonus surprise. For that one, I won't tell you. There are websites that I think they give free odds, 2 to 5 odds every day. I'm going to keep it somewhere in this video, so don't forget, stay tuned. So the most easiest and simplest way everybody uses in betting is the team strength. This season is strength, the odds. When you go to the betting side, the odds, you can see that this one has lower odds, this one has higher odds. So there's a higher probability that the one with a lower odds is going to win. Yeah, that's all we have all been using. But there are some 1, 2, 3 or 3 things. If you add it to it, yeah, I think you're good to go. Okay, so let's start with the first website. The first website is called BSoccer. So just go to Chrome or Google or any Safari or whatever, and then you just type in BSoccer. So when you type in BSoccer and click on the search button, this is how it looks like. So you see BSoccer, it helps us to predict scores. Even if you want correct score, this website is going to give you correct score. So I'm going to teach you how to use it. Okay, it's called BSoccer. So when you come here, you check the date. So I'm on today. Okay, so today live matches. So let's see, let me click on Napoli versus Lazio. So today's match, Serie A, Napoli versus Lazio. I'll be using this team in all of those apps and the websites, so you guys don't get confused. So when you come here, you say the match is within 11 hours. So the match is going to start within 11 hours. So when you come here, you go to so we are on preview. That's not much needed. That's team lineup and all of that. But you need to go to analysis. Okay, so you need to go to analysis. Yeah, so this analysis. So you see this one, my network is not good, sorry guys. So here will help you know who is going to win over maybe 1.5, under 1.5, corners, bookings. Yeah, this website is the best I know. When you come here, so this is how it looks like. So you see the one with higher percentage. So you see 10, 9.3%, 8.6%, 2.1. So all of these are correct score. So 78% winning possibility, probability. So you see, so it's a very high that Napoli is going to win this match. 78% win probability, and then it says 2.64 expected goals. Right, so you can just bet it over 0.5. It means Napoli is going to score at least 1 goal. So when you come here, so this is how it looks like. So you can just scan and then check with the one with the higher percentages. So maybe you want a correct score of maybe 3-4. You see 0.1%, meaning it's never possible. So 4-5-0%. It's never possible for Lazio to score Napoli 5-4. 0%. It's not going to work. So it helps you determine the correct score and then also the win and all of that. So B Soccer, the name of the website is B Soccer. I know you have the app there, but the app is quite different from the website, so I usually use the website instead of the app. Okay, so guys, I would advise you to go for the website. Okay, so you need to master it, learn how the B Soccer works and everything about that. So the app is called iScore, AI Score. It's like flash score and then live score, and it's used to just check live scores, but have some secret things some people are not seeing, yeah. So that one, we have a chat zone inside, we have tips, we have many hidden things inside. You just need to find the right one. Okay, so because you are dealing with Napoli and Lazio, let's move to Napoli and Lazio's game. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. So you have tips. This people's prediction, what they are saying. Oh, I think Napoli is going to win. Oh, I think it's going to score. So they are just ideas, Yeah, you can decide to follow someone. So when you see that person is, oh, this guy is good, anytime he predicts it works, you can just follow the person. Anytime the person posts, you just follow up, and then you can check their standings and all of that here. But the main thing is not about their standing or the odds here. It's about there is vote here. The app will really vote for these teams. So when you come here, you come to head to head, okay? Then you go to vote. When you go to vote, so you see that the vote here, the app have determined who is going to win. So the app have already predicted. See, so the app said who win? Napoli, 66%. Isn't this interesting? Who win? Asian handicap over 0.5. Napoli. So the app is saying that Napoli is going to score at least one goal. So you see that this and then the B Soccer are somehow saying the same thing. You get it? Yeah. So you can use this strategy with the help of these three things. I guess we are going to improve up on your bets and then no more losses and all of that. But there is one thing I want you to know. There are these 3 Telegram groups I would like you to join, okay? 3 Telegram groups I would like you to join. So the first one is called Rich Gang Bet. The second one is called Wealthy Fixed Odd. And then the third one is called Toniccjbettingandsports. These websites are not mine. These Telegram groups are not mine. I don't even know the abdomens. It's just that they help. Always their game wins. Always. Trust me, guys. Always. So I'll leave the link in the description menu. Click on it to join, or you can search for them on Telegram and then join straight away. But I'll advise you to use the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and watch other videos of mine.